welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how paper is produced, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The wood chips are cooked with chemicals at high pressure to separate the cellulose fibers, the foundation of all paper.
The temperature on line 4 is spiking again.
I see it. Fiber quality remains stable for now.
All systems are showing green across the board.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Our paper meets the strictest international standards.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Our paper meets the strictest international standards.
This point is still right.
And that's how paper is produced. And that's how paper is produced, Sherek, from tree to finished product, all in one incredible facility.